Hey, this is Emily with the Dent Bully. We do what is called paintless dent repair, or PDR for short. We repair all types of damage ranging from small door dings to large dents and even hail damage. Here we have a 2012 Ford Fusion with a large dent in the driver's side fender. In this video, we will show the repair process. We heated the panel up to reduce the risk of cracking the paint as we push the dent out from behind the panel. Here you can see the crowns or stress points on the fender. Without addressing these crowns, the dent will never come out properly. Then we use special blending techniques to tap the crowns down and even out the metal. Here you can see the finishing of the dent. If you're in the Savannah, Georgia area and would like a dent repair, give us a call at 912-348-0408 or visit us online at www.thedentbully.com or check us out on Facebook or Instagram at The Dent Bully.